Hey, what's happening, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the iPad mini 256 gig 6th generation Wi-Fi and cellular. In the box it says it includes the USB-C charger cable, USB-C power adapter, and then supports all of that stuff. Yeah, let's see, drum roll. So, front of the box. Do I need to do anything more? No. So it should be as easy as just putting. Come on. There you go. A few moments later. Okay, so front of the cover box is off. First, we've got the iPad. So when we look here, see in my hand and I'm holding it. It's nice and comfortable. Dun, 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 dun. With one hand, I can't get the top. So kind of do definitely need two hands. So if we open there, there we go. Fingers don't make a noise. Nice. So let's leave that there for now. Then what else do we have in the box? So we've got the usual, it's probably sticker kits. So iPad mini, it's like a little bit of a user guide. Okay. Now that's cool. Doesn't normally come such a big piece of paper, but nice. It is the cellular model. This has definitely changed over the years, eh? It's never used to be. It's almost like a little paper clip. Cool. Two giant stickers. Leave that there for now. What else do we have? Nothing else. Just like a bit of a weight. Okay, so we've got the power adapter. I think you call it the power adapter. And it's up. Nice. And as everything is going nowadays, USB is no more. So it's double-sided. Nice. So it doesn't matter which side you click it in and in. Nice. Okay, so let's power up. We've got right there. Volume control buttons. Nothing on this side. Speakers. Nothing here. So I think they've left this side empty, so you can put a, what's it, a Apple Pencil. And then they've put the normal buttons here, so it's almost like controlled for you. On start, 95% battery life. It's looking for a mobile. But yeah, it's comfortable in the hands. Definitely a mini. And it's got all the good stuff. What do you guys think of this color? I should definitely like it. You can hear that it's the little French bulldog. And that's it. If you guys have any comments or questions, drop a comment below and I'll definitely happily help out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.